In this video, we will provide you with an explanation of the various repair services we provide that remedy a wide scope of moisture intrusion damages done to foundational walls, floors, and concrete slabs.
The soil surrounding the foundation of your home expands as it becomes saturated with water and contracts as it dries, causing the foundational walls to bow and crack. Soil below the foundation can also erode as water comes and goes, robbing the foundation of the support it needs, causing it to settle and sag. Bowed walls can be stabilized, straightened, or both. To stabilize a wall and to prevent further inward movement, carbon fiber strapping and/or steel I-beam bracing can be used to help support the concrete or block walls. To straighten a bowed wall, our team of specialists can excavate along the bowed wall area and pull the wall back to level. The wall will be core-filled to prevent future bowing from happening again. In more problematic cases, both carbon fiber strapping, steel bracing, and core filling can be used to help support concrete or block walls. Carbon fiber is a low-profile and minimally invasive solution that will permanently lock a wall into place. Repairing sagging and uneven floors can be done by way of a variety of solutions we provide. Broken floor joists can be sistered with full-length replacement joists. Sagging floor joist and unsupported beams can be lifted and supported evenly by installing concrete footing or adjustable stabilizers. For excessively sloped floors and for sunken walls, we install steel or wooden I-beams along the bottom of the joist and use our stabilizers to push up and evenly distribute the load and level the floor. Cracks in the brick or block are signs of foundation settlement or possibly foundation failure. For foundations that settle around the perimeter, we offer a pier system. We begin by digging down beneath the concrete footing at these locations. We use hydraulic equipment under the footing and drive the segments of steel pier supports down to the bedrock or load-supporting strata. At this point, we install a steel pier cap that rests against the bottom of the footing. Enclosed steel shims snug the pier cap to the bottom side of the footing. This process allows us to lift a home as much as the structural integrity of the home allows, many times bringing it back to the original built position. Our piering process will prevent any future settlement of the home where the piers are installed. If your concrete foundation has been severely damaged or has failed beyond basic repair solutions, we offer replacement options, including concrete block replacement, concrete wall replacement, and footing replacement. These are all intrusive and expensive repairs and should be avoided if at all possible. These are considered last-ditch efforts that could be avoided by addressing a moisture intrusion problem when it first occurs. Foundations never fix themselves, and if you address the problem when it first occurs, you can save yourself tens of thousands of dollars in future repair costs.
Choose barrier waterproofing systems to help deter the harmful effects that moisture can have on the quality of life of your family and strength of the structures of your home. Our systems will keep your crawl space, basement, and foundation protected from moisture-related problems for a lifetime, and we guarantee it. To learn more about how our waterproofing systems work and why they are the most comprehensive and secure techniques in the industry, visit our website at tnbasementwaterproofing.com. Give us a call today and schedule a free evaluation of your home to determine the most comprehensive and stress-free solution that will last for years to come. Barrier waterproofing systems, created to perform where standard waterproofing solutions fail.